ETNA Web Trader Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to ETNA Web Trader are in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's get straight to the review. ETNA Web Trader is a cloud-based trading platform designed for brokers, fintech startups, and proprietary trading firms looking for a customizable, white-label trading solution. Unlike traditional retail platforms, ETNA provides a fully branded and configurable experience, allowing firms to offer their own web and mobile trading solutions without building from scratch. It supports equities, options, futures, and digital assets, making it a versatile choice for multi-asset trading. One of its biggest strengths is its web-based architecture. ETNA requires no downloads, providing seamless access from any device with a browser. It includes real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and an intuitive order management system. The platform supports various order types, including market, limit, stop-loss, and advanced conditional orders, making it suitable for active traders. Another key feature is its API-driven infrastructure. ETNA offers robust APIs that allow brokers and fintech companies to integrate custom tools, connect to third-party market data providers, and automate trading strategies. This flexibility is a major advantage for firms looking to develop proprietary algorithms or integrate AI-driven trading solutions. ETNA Web Trader also provides risk management and compliance tools, which are essential for brokerage firms. It includes real-time margin calculations, portfolio monitoring, and automated trade surveillance, ensuring that firms stay compliant with regulatory requirements. The built-in back-office solution simplifies trade reconciliation, reporting, and client management, making it an end-to-end solution for brokers. Despite its strengths, ETNA Web Trader is not designed for individual investors or casual traders. It is primarily targeted at brokerage firms and fintech startups looking to launch or enhance their trading platforms. Additionally, while highly customizable, firms will need technical expertise to configure APIs and tailor the platform to their needs. Pricing is enterprise level, meaning it may not be suitable for smaller firms with limited budgets. In summary, ETNA Web Trader is a powerful, customizable trading platform for brokers and fintech companies needing a scalable, white-label solution. If that fits your needs, check the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights.